muscles in the back of your thigh, starting with the medial side. This is the muscle which is called semitendinosus. So by the name semitendon means half muscle is of tendon and half is the fleshy part. So this is what semitendinosus. Underneath the semitendinosus, alongside the semitendinosus, this is the semimembranosus. Which muscle? Semimembranosus. As we can see, the half muscle is like a membrane and half muscle is fleshy part. Semimembranosus. Again, towards the medial side, this is semitendinosus muscle and this one is the semimembranosus. Okay? And towards the lateral, this is the long head of biceps femoris. How will I find this as a long head? Because it is coming alongside the semitendinosus and membranosus. These three muscles, long head of biceps, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, are coming from the ischial tuberosity, common origin. So that is why three muscles in one group. But this muscle, it is coming from the other direction. Yes or no? So this is these two muscles on the lateral side.
And in short, that both form a single muscle, that is biceps femoris, and the fourth muscle in this region is the adductor magnus ischial part. All these four muscles will form the hamstring muscle.
Now we can see between the muscles, this thick nerve is the sciatic nerve. This is the sciatic nerve. And we can see the indentation of the sciatic nerve as well. What do you mean by indentation? Means splitting of sciatic nerve into two nerves. One is the tibial nerve which is going straight and one is going towards the lateral side. This is the common peroneal nerve. Common peroneal nerve. So this is tibial nerve and common peroneal nerve, or we can say tibial part and common peroneal part of sciatic nerve. Understood? So this is about the posterior aspect of the thigh.